Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel.
Hello, hello. It's day 6 already. Can you believe it?
I know, time flies when you're having fun and learning English.
Before we start, don't forget, if this is your first time here, please subscribe to our channel. And if you're already with us, welcome back, friend.
Yes, click the bell so you never miss a new video. We post a new lesson every single day.
Today's topic is one of my favorite topics ever, food.
Oh, I love this topic too. Today we're talking about food and favorite meals.
So grab a snack, get comfortable, and let's start learning.
Mark, let me ask you first. What's your favorite food?
Great question. My favorite food is pizza. I love pizza.
Me too. I love pizza too. What kind of pizza do you like?
I like pizza with cheese and mushrooms. What about you, Lisa?
I like pizza with chicken and vegetables.
Nice. Now it's your turn, everyone watching. Ask yourself, what's my favorite food?
You can say, my favorite food is, and then say the food you love.
Let's practice together. Repeat after us. My favorite food is pizza. My favorite food is chicken. My favorite food is rice.
Great job! You're doing amazing.
Now let's talk about meals during the day. There are 3 main meals: breakfast, lunch, and dinner.
That's right. Let's start with breakfast. Mark, what do you usually eat for breakfast?
I usually eat eggs and bread for breakfast, and I drink coffee.
Yummy! I usually eat cereal with milk, and I drink orange juice.
Now, easy vocabulary for you. Breakfast equals the first meal of the day. Lunch equals the midday meal. Dinner equals the evening meal.
Let's practice a simple sentence pattern. For breakfast, I eat...
For breakfast, I eat eggs.
For breakfast, I eat toast.
Now what about lunch, Lisa?
For lunch, I usually eat a sandwich or a salad.
I like soup and rice for lunch.
And for dinner?
For dinner, my family and I eat together. We usually have chicken or fish with vegetables.
That sounds delicious. In my house, we eat pasta a lot for dinner.
Now let's talk about food we like and food we don't like.
Oh, this is fun. Mark, is there any food you don't like?
Yes, I don't like broccoli. I really don't like it.
Really? I love broccoli. But I don't like fish. I don't like the taste.
Interesting. Okay, let's learn the sentence pattern. I like, for food you enjoy. I don't like, for food you don't enjoy.
For example, I like chocolate. I don't like spicy food.
I like ice cream. I don't like onions.
Now it's your turn. Pause the video and say 2 things you like and 2 things you don't like. Go ahead.
Great. I'm sure you did wonderfully.
Mark, do you like cooking?
Yes, I love cooking. I cook dinner every weekend.
That's great. I don't cook a lot, but I can make simple food like eggs and rice.
Let's learn a useful question. Can you cook?
And the answer, yes, I can cook. Or, no, I can't cook.
Let's practice together. Can you cook? Yes, I can cook. Can you cook? No, I can't cook, but I want to learn.
Very good. Now you know how to talk about cooking in English.
Sometimes we go to a restaurant. Let's learn some easy phrases.
When the waiter comes, you can say, I would like a pizza, please.
Or simply, can I have a burger, please?
Let's practice. I would like a coffee, please. Can I have a salad, please? I would like water, please.
And don't forget to say thank you at the end.
These small phrases will help you a lot when you travel or eat outside.
Wow, we learned a lot today. Let's review quickly.
We learned how to talk about our favorite food, breakfast, lunch, and dinner, food we like and don't like, cooking, ordering food at a restaurant.
Here's a quick model conversation to practice on your own. A. What's your favorite food? B. My favorite food is pizza. What about you? A. I like chicken and rice. For breakfast, I usually eat eggs. B. Nice. I don't like fish, but I love ice cream.
My tip for today? Don't worry about making mistakes. Talking about food is easy and fun. Just start with simple words.
Exactly. Every time you eat, try to say the name of the food in English. It's a simple way to practice every day.
That's it for today's lesson. You did an amazing job.
Now, here's your homework. Write your answer in the comments below.
What's your favorite meal, and why do you love it?
Write it in English. Don't be shy. We love reading your comments.
If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and share it with a friend who's learning English too.
And subscribe if you haven't already, so you don't miss day 7.
See you tomorrow, everyone!
Bye-bye. Take care.